At this stage, after painting for a couple of decades, I'm kind of used to approaching things with force, with kind of like a creative violence, not in a physical way, but just in a mental approach. I try to attack it, and by doing that, I'm asking the surface itself to expose whatever it wants to be. Through history, it's been wonderful and difficult for painters to exist on this plane of, in reality, being creative. If that's what we want to call it, I mean, really, it's an action, it's a doing thing, it's like love. You can talk about love as much as you want, but it's really a doing word. I thought once, if a magician does magic and there is no audience, does a magician do magic at all? And my resolution to that was that when a magician does magic and there is no audience, a magician doesn't do magic at all, unless he's done something that fools himself. Otherwise it's an illusion, and it's a trick. Following that, I realized that the only difference between a magician and a painter is a painter doesn't do tricks. I guess those that consider my work or my comrades' work as vandalism, they can consider the fact that the mess may be the message, and maybe that message is stop cleaning your car. It's important to be involved in painting or documenting. Maybe it's not. Either way, it's I have no control over it. It's just something I have done and need to do, and I'm actually not even that important in the whole thing. It is the energy that comes through me, and I'll be left behind and dead, and that's fine. There is no me, there is only us. You know that the world is in a very dark place. There's something terribly wrong when disaster is dressed as entertainment. Creativity is our only weapon in the war on reality.